Hello children, I am your Momita ma'am. I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well. Today I am again here to take your GK class. So children, get ready with your GK book, Think and Grow, book 5. And take one pencil. I will tell you the question answers and you have to write. In our last class, we were in this topic, I love my India. We have finished first 3 questions. Today we will start from question number 4. Ready children? Yes, I am starting. Each of the colors in our national flag stands for something. Dash stands for courage. So in this blank you have to write saffron. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. White for truth and purity. And green for prosperity. Again children, I am repeating. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. White for truth and purity. And green for prosperity. Question number 5. The national emblem of India is a replica of the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh. In this blank you have to write Ashoka. The 4 lions within bracket 1 hidden from view symbolize or stands for power, courage and confidence. The motto Satyameva Jayate is inscribed below the emblem in Devanagari script. When translated from Sanskrit, it means truth alone trumps. In question number 5, blanks you have to write Ashoka, lion, Satyameva and truth. Okay children? So we have finished this page. Page number 12 we have finished. Turn the page. Page number 13. Today we will do this portion. Page number 13. Topic is National Awards. New topic children, National Awards. The Indian government recognizes and awards people who excel in any act of service, skill, bravery or dedication. Here children, only HO is written. You have to write who. W. You have to add here W. Who excel in any act of service, skill, bravery or dedication. Can you name the awards with the help of the clues? See, here is a clue box. Some award name is written here. You have to read these lines and you have to match with this clue box. So let's see number 1 what is written. It is the highest civilian award. It is given for great achievements in the fields of arts and science and also for public and civil services. The award is children Bharat Ratna. First award is Bharat Ratna. Okay. Number 2. It is the highest military award. It is given to all soldiers of the military who have shown great valor and bravery in the presence of the enemy. On occasion, it has been awarded to foreigners who have exhibited great achievements. Okay, the award name is Paramveer Chakra. Second one is Paramveer Chakra. Number 3. It is a national honor conferred on women by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. It recognizes the spirit of courage of women in difficult circumstances. The award name is Stree Shakti Award. Number 3 is Stree Shakti Award. Number 4. It is country's highest literary award given for creative writing in any of the India's 22 official languages. So children, how many official languages there in India? 22 official languages are there. So this award name is Jnanpith Award. Jnanpith Award. The last one, see, Jnanpith Award. Number 5. It was first given on occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's 125th birth anniversary. This award is given to individuals of groups for their contribution to society based on Gandhian principles. The award name is Gandhi Peace Prize. The award name is Gandhi Peace Prize. Number 6. These awards are given on the 14th of November every year to children who have performed brave deeds. The children also get to take part in the Republic Day Parade. The award is National Bravery Awards for Children. National Bravery Awards for Children. And the last one, number 7. These awards are given to the best of the cinema under various categories. such as Best Director, Best Screenplay and more. The award name is National Film Award. National Film Award. So, once again I am repeating children. Number 1 Bharat Ratna. Number 2 Paramveer Chakra. Number 3 Stree Shakti Award. Number 4 Jananpeet Award. Number 5 Gandhi Peace Prize. Number 6 National Bravery Awards for Children. Number 7 National Film Award. So, we just go through these two topics. I Love My India and National Award. Okay, children, here is the fill in the blanks, and here you have to some awards are here. You have to know for which purpose which award is given. Okay, so next day we will continue the next portion. Take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless you all. Bye bye.